Trying to fix a phone or laptop with those tiny manual screwdrivers is a total pain. Your hand cramps up, and half the time you drop the little screws. I got sick of it, so I bought the 5 most popular mini electric screwdriver kits on Amazon. I tested them on real repairs to figure out which ones have actual power and which ones are just toys. Product number 1, SUFICY Mini Electric Screwdriver Set 140 in 1. I started with this 140 in 1 kit because the sheer volume of bits caught my eye. Opening the case, it's overwhelming in a good way. If you need a weird security bit for a game console, it's probably in here. The screwdriver itself feels decent, a bit plastic but lightweight. The LED light is okay, not the brightest, but helpful in dark corners. The magnetic tip held screws well, which saved me from hunting on the floor. If you just want the maximum amount of bits for any possible scenario on a budget, this is a great starting point. Now, if you want something that feels a bit more premium in the hand. Product number 2, fanttik E1 Max Electric Screwdriver. You have to check out the fanttik E1 Max. The first thing I noticed was the case. It has this satisfying push-to-pop-up mechanism that feels super high-end. The screwdriver body is aluminum alloy, so it's cool to the touch and feels solid, not cheap. It only has 50 bits, but they are S2 steel, which means they won't strip easily like cheaper metal. The motor is smooth, and while the torque isn't massive, it's perfect for delicate work like phone repairs where you don't want to over-tighten. The manual lock is great too. If a screw is stubborn, you just twist the handle manually to break it loose. It's the best pick if you value build quality and aesthetics over having a million bits. Product number 3, JORESD 155 in 1 Mini Electric Screwdriver. Then I picked up this massive JORESD kit. This thing is all about options. It actually comes with 2 handles, the electric aluminum one and a standard manual one. The electric driver is surprisingly punchy, maxing out at higher torque than the previous fanttik. I used it to drive some longer screws into a PC case that the others struggled with. The 4 LED lights are also way brighter than the single LEDs on other models. It comes with a ridiculous amount of extras, like an anti-static wrist strap and a magnetic mat. If you're doing serious repairs and need that extra power and all the accessories, this is the heavy hitter of the bunch. But sometimes you just want that premium feel with a bit more juice. Product number 4, fanttik E2 Ultra Mini Electric Screwdriver. That brought me to the fanttik E2 Ultra. It looks almost identical to the E1 Max with that same awesome pop-up case, but holding it, you notice a cool new feature, a gradient light bar on the side that shows you the torque setting and direction. It's not just flashy though, it's definitely stronger than the E1. I noticed the battery lasted way longer too, thanks to the larger capacity. I rebuilt an entire mechanical keyboard on a single charge, and it was still going strong. If you loved the look of the first fanttik but needed more power and battery life for bigger projects, the E2 Ultra is worth the upgrade. Product number 5, 3.7V Mini Electric Screwdriver 57 in 1. Finally, I tested this 57 in 1 kit. It feels like a solid middle ground between the budget options and the premium ones. The aluminum body gives it a nice grip, similar to the more expensive models. My favorite part of the case design is the rotating bit holders inside the magnetic bin. They make it really easy to grab the exact bit you need without fussing. The torque is adjustable, which is nice, and the battery charged back up fully in about an hour and a half during my testing. It's a reliable, no-nonsense tool. If you want a metal body and good performance without paying the premium brand tax, this is a very solid choice that gets the job done. So whether you need 100+ bits for random jobs or a sleek, powerful driver for daily tech repairs, one of these kits will save your wrists. I've dropped links to all 5 down in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and good luck with your repairs.